The OnePlus Nord CE3 will come with a 6.7-inch IPS LCD display bearing a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. It will offer a 20:9 aspect ratio, HDR10, HLG support, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Internally, the smartphone will reportedly be powered by a Snapdragon 695 processor paired with Adreno 619 GPU on board. It will pack 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, and we can expect more configurations at launch. The device will ship with Android 13-based Oxygen OS out of the box. The smartphone is rumored to be backed by a 5000 mAh battery unit with support for 67W charging. Coming to the cameras, the OnePlus Nord CE3 is tipped to feature a 108MP primary sensor paired with two 2MP lenses, and a 16MP front-facing selfie snapper. Connectivity options on the device include a USB-C port, 5G, 4G LTE, and dual-band Wi-Fi. The OnePlus Nord CE3 is expected to come with a new design language compared to its predecessor. It will feature a boxy form factor, a center-aligned punch hole cutout, and dual camera rings without any island on the back panel.